Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this video we've got a fresh install of WordPress here, and we're going to actually download and install the Divi theme and see how quickly we can actually get a site up and running here. So I've downloaded WordPress. I'm building this locally on my machine here. If you're interested in learning how to build sites locally on your machine, take our WordPress local install course. It's pretty easy to do this, and it's really useful for building sites offline. So I've got WordPress downloaded, I've got it installed. Regular, just a fresh install of WordPress here. And as you've heard me say before, Divi theme is absolutely awesome, just keeps getting better and better. And if you're building any sort of site with WordPress, I suggest you take a look at it. It's just amazing. You can try it out from a link below this video. So to download it, we need to go to the Elegant Themes members area or the elegantthemes.com site and become a member. It is a premium theme, so you do have to pay for it, but it's just unbelievably worthwhile. And we're on the Divi tab here. We'll hit the download button. There we go. We've got the Divi downloaded there. So if we go back to our WordPress install here, go to themes or appearance and then themes. This is the current one we have, which is one of the default ones with WordPress 2017. You may have a different one, but at the time of recording, this is the most current generic WordPress theme. It's actually okay. It's not really interesting, but you can do a bit of stuff with it. But like I say, I'm going to install the Divi and see if we can't get something put together very quickly. So I'm going to hit Add New. And I'm going to upload theme. Hit upload theme here. Got my file right here. I can just drag it up to choose file there. And as you see, it's already in there. Install. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Tell WordPress that it's the theme we want to use. I'm going to go ahead and delete this other theme. It's always a good idea, if you're not using themes in your library here, to just delete any ones you don't. The lighter you can keep your WordPress installed, the better, really. So we've got our Divi installed and activated now. And let's take a look. There won't be anything too exciting, I'm sure, because we haven't given it any information. There we are. That's it. Not even exciting as 2011, but we've got it installed here, so it's a start. Okay, let's create a page quickly. And I'm going to use some of Divi's pre-built free templates that they got here. I'm going to call this home page. And I'm going to use the Divi builder. I'm going to simply go to load layout, and straight out of the box they've got all these fantastic layouts that you can choose here. So I'll just choose one from random. Let's put this fashion layout pack in there. Alright, and as you can see, it's loaded all these modules here. Guessing this is our first demo page. Let's take a look and see what we've actually got here. What I'm going to do is publish this page. And hit the preview changes button. There we go, and it's already loaded this into our page here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Straight out of the box. Obviously these are generic images. filler text, but all you need to do is fill in what you want here with the Divi builder. So let's use this template. So all we need to do is give it a logo, give it a menu, and let's just turn it into a one-page scrolling site. How about that? So let's go back to our dashboard here. Usual WordPress thing. If we go down to our settings and theme customizer, Divi, theme options, down to the theme customizer. And what we want to do is go to the home page settings and tell it that we want to give the home page those nice settings there. So it's a static page, and we want to give it the page that we just created, which was called home. And there it is. Yep, that's going to work fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish that. And we'll go back, we'll get out of here. And what I want to do is I want to actually go to our page here. So I've got it up right here, I believe. Here we go. I'm going to enable our visual builder, and we're going to turn this into a quick one-page scrolling site. Okay, it's got a nice little tour here. I'm going to go ahead and start building. And let's give these sections some IDs so we can actually scroll to them. I guess we'll start here and we'll hit the little cog there. You see as I hover over a section, its edit cog becomes available. I'm going to go to CSS ID and classes under the advanced tab. I'm going to give this an ID of about. Keep it nice and simple so I can remember this in a minute when I create the menu. Call this one collection. Remember, we're giving them IDs, not classes. Let's call this one popular. Call this one sale. To try and remember all these in a moment. And let's just do this one as news. There's no actual contact section as such in this page. So let's add this as news. Okay, so I've created those IDs, which has given these sections a handle, if you will, somewhere that we can navigate to and anchor. So let's go back to our dashboard, go to menus, appearance, menus, and create a menu that's going to do this for us. So we need to go to create a new menu. We'll give it a title, really thoughtful title like main menu, but call yours what you will. Now we need to actually add some things to our menu. I'm going to use custom links because we're not going to any particular page or URL, we're going to links on the page. And for the link, I'm going to put hashtag, because it's an ID we put in there, about. and say about. As you can see, it's appeared over here. Let's do another one. Can't remember what it was. Go back up to the top. Collections, wasn't it? We had about and collections. Hashtag and our ID that we gave it, which was collections. And again, we'll say collections. The link text can be anything you want. It doesn't have to be the same as the actual link itself, the URL. It can be whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's add that one to the menu. Next one, I don't think we did bags, did we? Popular was the next one we did. Hashtag for the ID. Add that one. And then we had sale, wasn't it? Sale, that last one, sale and news, wasn't it? Okay, so we'll put hashtag sale. Be a hashtag, not a 3. It will not work with a 3 in there. And then the last one was news, I believe. So hashtag again for the ID, news. It's fine. A lot of people don't do this anymore, which is put a home button here. Let's go ahead and put one of those. And for the URL, because I just wanted to go back to the top there, just going to put a hashtag. And we'll say home. We'll add that. Now I really want that first, so let's put this up here. And all I'm doing is left mouse clicking and dragging, and you can move it where you want. Let's go ahead and save that menu. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to Divi options and make sure smooth scrolls turned on. What that'll do is make sure it smoothly scrolls from one section to the other when we hit that menu. So I've gone to Divi, Theme Options, General tab, and I'm scrolling down. Smooth scrolling, here we are. At the moment it's disabled, so I'm going to go ahead and enable it. Just need to go down, save our changes till we get a little green check mark. There we go. Okay, next step is to tell the page what menu we want to have at the top. Actually, while I'm there, I'm going to turn on the back to the top button as well. So we're still in the theme options. Let's see if it's maybe turned on by default. Back to the top button, there it is. Now we'll put a little button there that you can just click to slide back to the top. I'm going to go ahead and enable that. And again, save. Alright, let's open our customizer and tell it to use that as our main menu, the menu that we just created. Go down to menus, location, and as our primary menu, which is the one we're looking at here, let's select the menu that we want to use, which is the one we just created called main. There it is, home, about, collections, popular, sale, news. Let's publish. Now let's go visit our site. I'm going to shut down these other tabs I've got going on here. And we've got our menu, and our sections. Let's see if it'll actually scroll down. There we go. It takes us to About, to Collections, to Popular, to Sale, to News. And it's scrolling nicely. We put that smooth scroll on. Home button takes us straight back up the top. If we go back down to News, I guess I could call that first section Home. There's the back to the top button that we just added. Hit that, it'll take it back to the top. So there you have it. How to create a quick one-page scrolling site with a Divi theme. What did that take? 15, 20 minutes, something like that, from scratch install. And of course, all you need to do is put in your own content here. And of course, with a visual builder, that is so easy. If you have an existing site, you can cut and copy and paste. Or of course, you can just go in with the visual builder. Any bit of text, just click on it with a cursor. Just start typing. Or of course, if you've got some text somewhere else, you can just select and paste it in there, however you want to do it. So there you have it. We've completed a one-page scrolling site in no time at all. I'm going to discard those. So like I say, that's a Divi theme. It just gets better and better and better. And it's so easy to use, it's just crazy. So check it out from the link below. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to our videos on our YouTube channel here. If you're interested in web design, take one of our web design courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's some great free courses as well as some premium courses down. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.